Hey guys, it's hard to believe it's already March 1st. So first thing is we want to get together and make sure you guys get your awards. We know that spring sports are already underway and we want to do that as quickly as possible. So as most of you guys know, typically we have a dinner in the spring or last week of February, and that's where we give out our awards. Well, Coach Wade says that we're still not allowed to do that this year. So we're going to have to do something a little different. So we're probably going to meet in the auditorium and just pass out awards. We're not allowed to do anything with food or gatherings like that still. So in the next few days, I will send out a message that has a date, a time, and a location. And I want to encourage each of you guys to try to come to that because we like to give out our awards all at one time, and we just like to see you because some of you guys I haven't seen in a few months. I was excited to see a few of you guys running this afternoon. Second thing is we do need to get some volunteers for Down the Mountain Marathon. That will be on April the 10th this year. As you know, we normally have a few fundraisers. One is Bristol Cross, and this year we barely broke even at Bristol Cross because we weren't allowed to have concessions, t-shirts, or anything like that. So the money we collected from the entry fees basically paid for the awards and things that we had to have for the race. Another thing is the Down the Mountain Marathon. Now that can be a good amount of money, and we had to cancel that last year because of COVID. And then parking on football games, and Coach Nunn's not sure how that's going to be worked out this year since people got to park anywhere they wanted at the football games this year. So we really haven't had any income this entire year, and even though it's spring and it's not during cross country, this Down the Mountain Marathon could help us raise some money for our team going into the fall, even helping pay for the awards that we're getting ready to pass out to you guys now. So if you can volunteer, I want you to look at your schedule. I realize there are things going on and you may not be able to, but if you can volunteer to help, this is something that we do for one day and we can generate a pretty good amount of money. And all I need is people to help work the water stations. So you just pass out waters as the runners go by, and that's a good, easy fundraiser. So if you can work that, I'm going to have you guys sign up for that when we do our awards, or you can just text me and say I'll be willing to help. So again, check your schedules, make sure you don't have anything going on that day. We realize that everybody may not be able to be there, but if we can't do this as a fundraiser, I'm going to have to give it to another team, and I'd hate to put all this work and effort into this and then somebody else reap the benefits from it. So again, we need some volunteers for water stations. If you can help, let me know. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.